modeling industry, has it been friendly to me? Yes, a lot. I think I've worked so much in this industry, although our industry is not as big as in America or in France or in Italy, but we do what we can with what we have.
Kuba kuse-OLED ngapha ngikho lapha ngikhona yazi ma-OLED bengitihleza ubalabala kube ngihambe ebusuku lamashow ngabhadalwanga ngowe ma-OLED uhlezi ugucinga amadolo back khuleka kumdala ukuthi isimo sibe ngcono khuleka kumdala ukuthi ngiphephe lapha engikhona wathi ntwana gcina bambelela sekuzolunga ngithi uNkulunkulu ukhona never kuthethe sekuzobuya athi ungalahli ithemba ntwana kude la siyakhona bheka nale talente lakho lethe zifamona banyanya futhi kakhulu masocala ukhiphe ikhono abazi ukuthi uperforma wacala eveza ukhona ngase saphethwe ezinje ngishabota msola lapho uhamba khona bomnari nginabo bakhona lapho uhamba khona umoya ongcwele uhlala ukhona manje ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi nawe sesekhona.
Me and hip hop music, I've always had a love and passion, deep love for hip hop music. It's the for me, it's the only music that I can relate to. I remember back in the day, I used to listen to a lot of Tupac. I used to listen to Lauryn Hill, to a lot of Kanye West before Kanye
Ultra
went.
Red Rose, that's my role model. Listen to the game, it's on my gun loaded. I say you wanna be like Breezy Weezy, Breezy Weezy. Damn this shit, I'ma be fucking blowing through it.